Today we're going to do a review of the Revix Gel Pack for your knee, and this is going to be the extra large model. We bought this off of Amazon and it had almost 20,000 reviews. So at the end of this review, you're going to come away with 4 key takeaways on things you should consider if you're going to go ahead and purchase this product. Number 1 is cost. Number 2, ease of use. Number 3, temperature and the duration of the temperature. And number 4, moldability. So let's jump into it and see if this gel wrap meets all the expectations for a patient. All right, so our first key factor is cost. We've been doing a few reviews of ice gel wraps, and this one is at the lower cost level. This one was $19.99, and it's a product made by Revix, and it says it's a triple extra large. Unfortunately, Amazon put a sticker over the front of the box, so I really can't show it to you. I want to let you guys know that we do not sell this product on our website, and we are not sponsored by Revix. It's just that in the Facebook groups and online, this is a really popular gel wrap. So we thought we would go through it and see how it shaped up. So as far as cost goes, $19.99 by far is one of the cheaper ones out there. So let's see what comes in the box. I actually have not opened this box up. So let's see how this is packaged and what it looks like. So pretty standard packaging. Pull the gel wrap out, and this is the wrap itself. And it looks like it's pretty good size. And it comes with 2 straps and it says Revix. So it's pretty good size. A freezer bag. What you do here is you put the gel wrap in this bag and then put it in the freezer. Then you get the instructions. All right, so our second key point is going to be ease of use. So when you look at the box, it says here right on the side of the box, the first time you use this wrap, you have to put it in the refrigerator from 2 to 4 hours. Now we're gonna actually test this, and I'm gonna give you a heads up right now. The reviews online, one of the complaints was it was 4 hours, and some people were saying over 6 hours for this to actually get cold. But that's the first time it goes in. The cool thing about this wrap is it has like a vinyl side, and it has a soft side, or a cloth side. They're actually saying in the directions that you can put this directly on your skin. So that would make this very easy to use on this soft side, because you don't need to use like a t-shirt or a thin towel. Now I do want to let you know, as we always do in any review about cold therapy, it's 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. That's the universal rule of thumb. If you need any other instructions, please consult with your physician. They might say do it shorter or longer, but that's between you and your doctor. So off the bat, without having a barrier, this thing looks like it's easy to use, but we're gonna run it through its paces in the next 2 key points. So key point number 3 is temperature and duration. So as I was looking through the instructions, it says, now this is for the first time, and we're gonna test this and see if it's every time, but it says if it's in the refrigerator or freezer for less than 4 hours, it's only gonna last 10 minutes. Now that seems like a long time, but again, we'll test it. If it's in the fridge from 4 to 6 hours, then you'll get 20 minutes of cooling time. And if you put it in the fridge for over 6 hours, you get 30 minutes of cooling time. Get this in the fridge and see what happens. So this is the gel wrap. This is the bag they say you need to put in the freezer. So we're gonna put it in nicely, and we're gonna seal it up. And I'm gonna put this in for at least 6 to 8 to maybe 10 hours. So this might go in overnight. But let's get it in the freezer and then let's run it through its paces. Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review. All right, it's time to take the Revix out of the freezer. And this has been in overnight, so we're gonna try to put it on and see what it looks like. So you wanna take it out of the bag. And I've never used this before, so this is my first impression of this product. And it is frozen solid. I will tell you this, just of initial inspection, the moldability, which is key point number 4, I'm kind of jumping ahead here, but moldability on this I'm going to give is average to below average. Let's see how it fits. All right, so here's the wrap, and let's try it on and see how it fits. So like I said, coming out of the fridge, the moldability, not so great. It seemed pretty cold, but let's try it on and see what happens. All right, so snug it up. And yeah, so temperature wise on this, I mean, it is not super cold, it is cold. And again, it was in there all night and it's a little bit stiff. I probably wouldn't walk in this. We've done a few other reviews where some of the sports ones you can walk in. This one I wouldn't walk in. Definitely an A because it goes all the way around. And I think a lot of the patients would like that because during knee replacement, a lot of people will put the cold therapy machine on the top and an ice pack on the bottom of their knee. So it's nice that it goes all the way around. Initially, it's not as cold as some of the other wraps, but we're gonna run it through its paces. So I'm gonna leave it on for a while and we're gonna come back and give you the final review. Key point number 3, which is cold or temperature, and then the duration of the cold. So I took it out, tried it on, I showed you guys how to use it. It was pretty cold coming out of the refrigerator and it lasted cold for about 10 solid minutes. And as we got closer to 20 minutes, it wasn't very cold anymore. So you can get a 20-minute treatment out of this wrap. Now, I think the bad thing with the Revix wrap is recharging it or putting it back in the fridge to get your 20 minutes after that or another treatment. So I put it in for about 4 hours and it didn't get super cold again. So I'm thinking this is a 6-hour to overnight recharge. So for that reason, I wouldn't be super excited if you had knee replacement to just get one of these. Now the cost is only $20. So maybe you buy 2 or 3 of these and that would be sufficient, I think, for a knee replacement patient. If you're just, a weekend warrior or an athlete, and you don't need to be mobile, this would work really well for a 20-minute treatment just to get out those aches and pains. I do want to mention a couple things. The straps on it didn't seem super high quality. It worked. A lot of the Amazon reviews talked about the straps. They don't look like they're super high quality. I'm not going to use this over time, so I'm not going to be able to speak to that, but just be aware of that. The other thing, which is not super bad, but I just want to make you aware of it. The vinyl part, after I let this cool down and not put it in the freezer, had some condensation on it. So just be aware of that. And to reiterate on key point number 4, which was the moldability, when it first came out of the fridge, it was really stiff and hard to bend. As we got closer to the 20 minutes after the treatment, obviously it softened up a lot. So overall, I'm gonna give the Revix wrap probably a C, C+. If you buy 2 or 3 of them, which is gonna get you up into the $40 or $60 range, this is great for knee replacement because it does wrap all the way around. It is slightly heavy. I've not had knee replacement, so I didn't think it was heavy. I do know a lot of those patients, when they have an incision, they sometimes have trouble with the weight, so just be aware of that. But overall, it's a C, C+. It's a low-cost way to get icing. And now that you know about the Revix gel wraps, stick around for our next video where we review the Active Wrap Gel Pack for your knee. And as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.